Friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video, my friends, I'm bringing you back one of my HelloFresh hauls, and I'm going to show you what's for dinner. So my friends, when I do open a box, I am just finding this out in real time just as you are, and so I don't know in advance what's for dinner. So let's look and see what these wonderful girls got for dinner. Here we go. In here they have the menus, and let's see what's for dinner. So let's grab one of these and see. First up is cheddar crushed chicken with sweet potato mash and green beans, and this is a 30 minutes meal, and this is what it looks like. It looks actually delicious. I love green beans. What I also like about HelloFresh, they do give you other suggestions of different meat that you can use. What HelloFresh does is also give you a little bit of highlight of some of the ingredients that they do use. Like in this case, it's panko and panko. For those who don't know, it's a Japanese style breadcrumbs. And if you grew up on Shake and Break, you will appreciate panko as well. Yeah, one of my daughters really like it, the other not so much, but it makes a really nice light tasting chicken, honestly, and this looks good. So this is the cheddar crusted chicken with sweet potato mash and green beans, and I love green beans, so that's what's for dinner. Okay, let's go for number two. Ooh, this looks delicious, and this is Speedy Sachet Ziti with fresh spinach and balsamic spinach salad. Their balsamic salad is really good, and this is what the Speedy Sausage Ziti looks like. That looks delicious. Look at the pasta, my friends. That's a different kind of pasta. I guess. We'll have to cook up one of these so that you guys can see. And this is a 25 minutes meal. So this is going to be quick and delicious. And there goes the highlight again. We talk about the Italian seasoning and the zesty garlic there. And it's just, you know, I love HelloFresh, my friends. I don't think I will ever give up HelloFresh, my friends. So this 3-day meal costs us about $50 per person. And this is my family of 4. And it's just, you know, it just takes out the guessing game of what's for dinner, right? So this is why I like it. And most of their meals are 45 minutes or less, and it's quite tasty. So that's 2. Okay, so let's go on. And we've done this before, and this is the beef bahan me style chicken bowls with pickled carrots and cucumber, and this is a really nice light meal. It's also 25 minutes spicy, it says. Ooh, nice. And you know, it has to look like a nice little dipping sauce there as well. And this is, you know, it also gives a little highlight of what it is. The sriracha and the mild spicy chili pepper sauce is popular in Asian cuisine. And so this bowl is really tasty. I think I have a video out of we making this dinner. Yeah, and yeah, easy recipes, my friends. As I said, I don't think I would give up HelloFresh. It takes the guessing game out of what's for dinner. It's simple, it's tasty. It's $50 for this week's 3-day meals. And honestly, I don't mind spending it. Now, every so often HelloFresh does throw in something, and this is called 911, and this feels like a tea bag. So I'm curious to know. Oh, it's by David Tea. Herbal infusion, minty relief. So I think I'm gonna try this for my next ooh, lots of organic stuff in there. I'm gonna try it for my next Tea Tuesday. Okay, so let's go carry on to see what they got in here. Oh, and there's a little bit of introduction here about David's. Oh. Sorry about the lighting, my friends. I'm trying to use a lighting ring and everything. It looks like as if they're partnering with David's Tea. But what a nice card, right? And then, of course, they gave us a sample tea. So I'll let you know how this tastes and if it's worth it, right? So this might be something that you can order on HelloFresh. And this thing with HelloFresh now, they're starting to broaden their selections. And now you can get dessert from HelloFresh. And now it looks like you can even get tea. Perfect way to end the day. David Steve. This box as well, my friends, they provided a little bit of information about the wasting of food that's happening all over the world. And the thing with HelloFresh, when you do cook, there's very little leftover. So because they give you enough to feed your family side. So it's another good reason to have a subscription of HelloFresh. And there's no wasting of food. So there's my meals here, my friends. All pack it up really nice. These bags looks heavy and stuff. And of course, here they are, all the fresh ingredients. So the cheddar crusted chicken. What's this one? This one is heavy, man. This is a speedy sausage city. Oh my goodness, that's a big bag. And let's see what else. And then this is the other one. It's not so, this one is not so heavy. This is the beef baja. Oh my goodness, this phone is not showing great pictures anymore. I don't know what's going on with it. All right, and that was the fresh ingredients. And of course, oh, there's more tea, my friends. There's more tea. S'mores chai. Ooh, toasted garlic. I'm going to try it and let you guys know how it is. Ooh, this one looks good. Looks really good. Okay. So at the bottom of the box, my friends, again, we have all the meats on ice made with 100% water, not that jelly stuff anymore. Good for you, HelloFresh. And the HelloFresh box is lined with these fiber things that's 100% recyclable. All you have to do is wet it and everything falls apart nicely. It's really biodegradable and stuff. And I use the ice, as I told you, to water plants. Once it's melted, I use it to water plants because it's 100% water that they use now. So I'm so happy. And then the plastic pouch, we recycle in the recycling bin. So here we go, fresh chicken for crusted chicken. I don't see any loose garlic yet. And that's this one. The ground beef for the beef baja. And then the chicken ground pork. Now what HelloFresh does also is suggest other meat that you can use, my friends. If you're not a fan of pork, you can always substitute it for a different meat. And more chicken. And that looks like it. Nothing else. You know how I do it. I store all the meats in a Ziploc bag and then put them into the freezer. And then when I want, it depends on what I'm cooking for dinner, then I pull out that meat instead of leaving all of them unfrozen. I make sure to freeze them and then thaw them up quickly. And as I said, my friends, these are easy to thaw, so not to worry. You can leave it out for about an hour or so, and honestly it'll be thaw enough so you can easily cook your meal. So my friend, basically that's it. That's my HelloFresh meals for the week. And you know how I do it. I usually cook 1 or 2 of the meals, and so that you can see what I do with these meals or how easy they are. And sometimes we do reviews as well, so that you know when you want to order HelloFresh what to get, because some of their meals, I'm telling you, are totally tasty. So that's all, folks. There we go.